hope you are doing well, and I am also doing well. And in the previous class, we had completed our third chapter, and today we are moving on to the fourth chapter. Our fourth chapter is the old car tire. The old car tire. Old means the things that we used once and now it is not a useful thing. Old means we used it in ancient times or olden times and now it is not useful. We are keeping it aside. We are keeping it aside. Okay, that is old things. That means useless things. Useless things. Old means useless. And many times we throw away things that are not in use any longer. We are using so many things. We are having, when we buy a new dress, it is very pretty and we are using it for a long time, and after 2 or 3 years, it became very old and we no longer use it. It is not a useful thing and we no longer use it anymore, and so we throw it away. We throw it away. Sometimes they can be reused and recycled. Some things can be reused and recycled and reused. Make a list of such things and that the use they can be put to. We can use many things for so many other things. Okay, we have so many soaps in our house, and when it is torn means it is not useful. It gets old. What we do? We can make it as a scrubber for washing glass items, glass plates and glass items. Like that, we can reuse so many things. Reuse means reuse in another form. We can reuse it in another form. That means, example, pages from notebook. And we are using every year we are buying new notebooks. And after the completion of the year, we are buying a notebook for class 3. English notebook. If there is so many pages in that notebook that is not used yet after the completion of that year, what will we do? We make a fresh notebook by clearing the pages from so many notebooks. We are having 10 pages from EVS notebook, 10 pages from English notebook, 10 pages from Malayalam notebook. And then we plug all these papers and make a new book for using rough notes or for writing rough notes. We can use that book. We can use that new book for writing the rough notes in the class. Okay, like that we can use many things that is not useful for us today. Useful for the same kind. Like that, bottles. We can use old bottles as bulb holders. Bulb holders with the pins and like that, so many things. We can make it as bulb holders. And the old CDs. We had seen that is so many old CDs. CDs are there in some years back. There are so many CDs, and these CDs are used when the CD is shown in sunlight. We can see rainbow in it, rainbow. For that we can use it. And then match boxes, empty match boxes. When it is full of matchsticks, we use it for lighting. We use it for lighting something. And when the match boxes are empty, if there is a 5 or more or like any number, we can use it as toy train. We can make it connect to the match box, put the inner part outside and connect it to other match box, and we can make a toy train with the match box. We can make a toy train with the match box. Let us move on to the chapter. Page number 40. Take page number 40. All of you take page number 40. The first paragraph. I will read it for you. An old car tire was feeling very sad. It lay in the corner of the garage covered with the dust. Look at the first sentence. An old car tire was feeling very sad. It lay in a corner of the garage covered with the dust. We all know that every year you are buying new bags for school. You are buying new bags for school, and after every year if there is 2 or 3 children in a house, 3 bags were there, old bags. They don't use it anymore. But it is very good. The zip is in running condition and no damage to the bag. But children are in the habit of here there are two or three bags in every house, and we put it in a storage place. We put it in the storage place or shelves for reuse, but nobody uses it like that. Here an old car tire was feeling very sad. The car tire is personified here. The car tire is personified and the car tire is feeling very sad. Is the tire happy? No, the tire is very sad. What was the sadness? What was the reason for the sadness? It lay in the corner of the garage. Where was the tire now? The tire is now in the corner of the garage. Corner means the two walls meeting place is called a corner. The ball is now lying in the corner of the garage. Garage means the part of a house used for storing automobiles. The part of a building for housing automobile, where we keep our bike, car, etc. Our vehicles are kept in a garage. Our vehicles are kept in a garage, and small repairs are done there. That is called a garage. And a garage, listen the word garage. Garage, garage. The old tire is now in the corner of the garage. The old tire is lying. Lying means it is in the floor. It is lying in the floor. It is in the floor, and it was in the corner of the garage, and it was covered with dust. What was the condition of the tire? The tire was covered with dust. It is full of dust. It is not used for a long time. It is lying there for a long time, so it is covered with dust. If we put something anywhere and we don't shake it or we don't use it for so many days or for a long time, it will be covered with dust. There are so many dust particles in the atmosphere, and it will be covered with dust. Okay, like that. Here the old tire. Where is the old tire now? The old tire is lying on the corner of the garage, and it was covered with dust. The old tire was lying in the corner of the garage, and it was covered with dust. Means it was full of dust. It was full of dust. I will read it once more. An old car tire was feeling very sad. It lay in the corner of the garage, covered with the dust. Oh dear, it sighed. Sigh means sigh. Breathe heavily or deeply. Sigh means breathe heavily or deeply in sadness. It is sighed. Sighed means it is sighed in sadness. It is sighed deeply in sadness. It is not happy. It is sad. So it breathed deeply. It breathed deeply and heavily. It sighed. Oh dear, it sighed. It is terrible to be old and useless. It is a terrible condition to be old. To be old is a terrible condition. It is a worse condition because nobody cares for the old things. Second word is terrible. 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 It is terrible to be old and not useful, useless. Not useful means useless. One word for not useful, useless. It is terrible to be old and useful. Everyone look after or everyone care for the useful things. Everyone, human beings or nature, everyone care for the new one and the useful things. Care for the new and the useful things. Nobody cares for the useless and old things. Nobody cares for the useless and old things. So here the tire sighed deeply. The tire breathed deeply and said, oh dear, it is terrible to be useless and old. It is terrible to be useless and old. The shiny spanner on the shelf looked down at time. There were so many spanners, screwdrivers, then jockeys and so many things are there in the garage. That means materials used for repairing vehicles. They were on the shelf. They are now useful. They are useful now. So they are kept in the shelves. The useful things are kept in the shelves and the useful things are put in the corner of the garage. Now the sparkling spanner is on the shelf, and to the spanner the old car tire is telling his sadness. Telling his telling the reason for his sadness. It is terrible to be old and useless. It is terrible to be old and useless. The shiny spanner on the shelf looked down at him. The tiny spanner that is kept in the shelf. Because why the spanner is kept in the shelf? The spanner is kept in the shelf because it is useful. It is useful thing. So it is kept in the shelf. The tire is a useless thing. It is an old thing. So it is lying on the corner of the garage covered with the dust. Is it clear? Now the tire is telling the spanner about his sadness, Now old chap, he said brightly, do cheer up. Why are you looking so sad? Do cheer up. Be happy. Why are you looking so sad? There is no reason for sadness. You be happy. You be happy. Do cheer up. Cheer up means be happy. It's all well for you, said the old tire. What did the old tire say? The old tire said that it is all well for you. It's all well for you. There is no problem with you because you are now useful. There is no problem with you. I have some problem because what is the problem? I am useless thing. I am an old thing. That is my problem. Nobody is taking care of me. Nobody gets any pressure from me. That is the reason for my sadness. It's all well for you, said the old tire. You are still useful. You are still useful. U-S-E-F-U-L. Useful. U-S-E-F-U-L. Useful. You are still useful, so there is no problem with you. There is no problem with you because you are still useful. But I am a useless thing. They are putting me in the corner. They put me in the corner of the garage. I am covered with the dust. I have no use or no longer any use for the owner. I have no longer any use for the owner. Standing beside him. Not long ago, it couldn't do without me. Then looked towards the car standing beside him. The car was also in the garage. The car was also in the garage. The tire looked at the car and said, not long ago it couldn't do without me. Not long ago I became useless in the recent times. I became useless in the recent past and no long ago. And in the recent past, till the recent past, I was useful to the car. I was the part of the car. I was the part of the car. I was an inevitable part of the car. Not long ago, it couldn't do without me. It couldn't run without me. I am a part of the car. I am a part of this car. This car couldn't move without me. Not long ago, this car couldn't move without me. And I used to go everywhere with it as one of its tires. I used to go everywhere it goes. Everywhere, whenever it goes, I was also a part of it. Without me, it couldn't move. Without me, the car couldn't move. I used to go everywhere with it as one of its tires. Really? Said the spanner. The spanner is a new one there, and the spanner asked the tire, really? Are you a useful thing? You are a useful thing to the car? Yes, really? This reason, right? Yes, indeed, said the tire. The tire said, we used to go for picnics, for shopping, and the countryside for a ride. Yes, indeed, yes, of course, and surely I used to go with the tire. Without me, the car didn't move. Yes, indeed, said the tire. We used to go for picnics and shoppings there. Where the car, this old tire went in olden times. The car went into the tire, went into shopping and picnic and shopping. Listen here, P-I-C-N-I-C, picnic and shopping, S-H-O-P-P-I-N-G, shopping, picnic and shopping. These are the places the tire visited in its good times. In its good times, that means when the tire was a part of the car, when the tire was the part of a car, it went into shopping and picnic. We used it to go for picnics, for shoppings and to the countryside for a side. Oh, it was such an exciting life. What an exciting life it is. Exciting. E-X-C-I-T-I-N-G, exciting. E-X-C-I-T-I-N-G. was an exciting journey and I was very happy at that time because I was useful then. Then I was a useful thing. Then I was the part of the car. I went to shopping. I went to picnic and I went with the car wherever it goes. I went with the car wherever it goes. Countryside for a side. Oh, it was such an exciting life. Now they say I am too old to be of use anymore. Now the owner of the car said that I have no use anymore. Now I became a useless and old thing. Now I became a useless and old thing. Now I became a useless and old thing. There is no use for me anymore. There is no use for me anymore. Oh dear, I don't know what is to become of me. It is said sadly. There is is there, but it is it, that is spelling mistake. To correct it, oh dear, I don't know what is to become of me. What is my fate? I don't know what is my future. Things what happen to me in future, what happened to me in future, I don't know. I am sad because the old tire is sad because it is a useless thing and the people who is the owner of the car is not using it anymore. It is old, it became old and useless. It became old and useless. So the tire is feeling very sad. So the tire is feeling very sad. I read that portion once more. You please listen. An old car tire was feeling very sad. It lay in the corner of the garage covered with dust. Oh dear, it sighed. It is terrible to be old and useless. The shiny spanner on the shelf looked down at him. Now old chap, he said brightly, you cheer up. It's all well for you, said the old tire. You are still useful. Then looked down towards the car standing beside him. Not long ago it couldn't do without me. I used to go everywhere with it as one of its tires. Really? Said the spanner. Yes, indeed, said the tire. We used to go for picnics, for shopping and to the countryside for a side. Oh, it was such an exciting life. Now they say I am too old to be of use anymore. Oh dear, I don't know what is to become of me. It said sadly. It is not is, it is it. To correct the word as it. Next paragraph. Rani and Manu were the children of the gardener. There is a gardener in that house, and who were the children of the gardener? Manu and Rani. Rani and Manu. Who were Rani and Manu? Rani and Manu were the children of the gardener. Gardener. One who look after the garden is called a gardener. Listen the spelling. G-A-R-D-N-E. G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R. Gardener. Who the person who is looking after the garden is called a gardener. G-A-R-D-E. Garden, gardener, gardener, G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R, gardener. Here is a gardener in that house, and Manu and Rani were the children of the gardener. Manu and Rani were the children of the gardener. They were playing near the garage. What was Manu and Rani doing? Manu and Rani were playing near the garage. Manu and Rani were playing near the garage. They were 9 and 7 years old. Rani and Manu were 9 and 7 years old. 9 years, Rani have and Manu have 7 years. Rani said, Manu, can you see that old tire? Manu, come here. Can you see that old tire? There is an old tire in the corner of the garage. There is an old tire in the corner of the garage. Can you see it? Did you see it? Can you see that old tire? We can ask our father to hang it from the strong banyan tree in the garden. We can ask our father. Who is the father of Rani and Manu? The gardener is the father of Manu and Rani. And Rani told Manu, Manu, can you see that tire in the corner of the garage? We can ask our father to for what? me. Give that tire to me. For what? For hanging it from the banyan tree. Banyan tree. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Listen here. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan tree. Banyan tree. Strong banyan tree. Banyan trees are strong. It is not, they are not big. Banyan trees are very big trees, and it was strong. It was very strong. And here Rani and Manu were the children of the gardener. They saw the tire lying in the corner of the garage, and they know that it is not useful for the house owner. So they decided to ask their father to get that tire for hanging it from the banyan tree. For what they asked the tire? For making it a swing. For making it a swing. Hang it from the strong banyan tree in the garden. We shall use it as a swing. S-W-I-N-G, swing. S-W-I-N-G, swing. What is a swing? In autumn season, you are in the habit of playing in the swing. Playing in the swing. It is tied to a very strong tree, and the children used to play the swing. Rani said, Manu, can you see that old tire? We can ask our father to hang it from the strong banyan tree in the garden. We shall use it as a swing. Oh, it will be such fun. It will be such fun using making a swing using a tire, using an old tire. By using an old tire, we can make a swing, a very good swing, and it will be very funny. It will be very fun to play with the swing. Fun to play with the swing. The children were excited. They called out to their father to come and see the tire and asked him if he would make a swing for them. The children were excited. They were very anxious, excited. Here is excitement is here. Exciting is here. E-X-C-I-T-I-N-G, exciting. Here the children were excited. They became very happy. The children became, who were the children? Rani and Manu. They became very happy. Rani and Manu became very happy, very happy. They enjoyed it a lot, and they became very happy. They called out to their father. Who is their father? Their father is the gardener. And they called out to their father. When he came, they show the tire to him. They show the tire that is lying in the corner of the house to their father, and asked him if he would make a swing for them. And they told him to make a swing for them using that old tire. Papa, can you make a swing? Can you make a swing using that old tire? Can you make a swing for us? We will play with it, and it will be very fun. Can you make a swing using that old tire? Who asked this question? The children, Rani and Manu, asked this to their father. Who is their father? Their father is the gardener. Who is their father? Their father is the gardener. This will be enough for today, and let us stop there, and let us read the text once more. You please listen. An old car tire was feeling very sad. It lay in the corner of the garage covered with dust. Oh dear, it sighed. It is terrible to be old and useless. Who sighed? Who is sad? Here the tire is sad because it became very old and it is useless now. It was useful once a time, and it was a part of the car once, and now it is very useless and it became very old. So it sighed in sadness. It is terrible to be old and useless. It is very terrible to be old and useless. Then the useful things are kept in the shelf, and there is a spanner. The spanner is very shiny. The shiny spanner on the shelf looked down at him. Now old chap, what did the spanner call the tire? Old chap. It is affectionately calling the tire. The spanner is affectionately calling the tire. Now old chap, he said brightly, do cheer up, why are you looking so sad? There is no reason for sadness. Do used for repairing the vehicles. You are used for repairing the vehicles, and you are now, there is no problem with you. You are now safe. Now it is all well for you, said the old tire. You are all still useful. Then looked towards the car standing beside him. The car is there in the garage, and the tire looked at the car and told, not long ago it couldn't do without me. Not long ago, in the recent past, I am very useful into the car. I am a useful part of the car. I was a useful part of the car. I used to go everywhere with it as one of its tires. I used to go everywhere with the car. When I was a part of that car, when I was one of the tires of that car, I used to go everywhere with that car. Really, said the spanner. It is unbelievable, because now the tire is laying in the corner of the garage and it was all covered with the dust. So the spanner asked in wonder, really, are you a part of that car? Yes, indeed. Yes, certainly. Surely I was a part of that car, said the tire. We used to go for picnics, for shopping, and to the countryside for a ride. We used to go. I used to go with the car everywhere it goes. That means I was a part of that car. I was a part of that car, and I used to go with it everywhere. I used to go with it everywhere, and I used to go with it for picnics and shopping. Whenever the car goes for picnics and shopping, I was a part of that car. I was one of the tires of the car. Oh, it was such an exciting life. What a happy life it was. I was enjoying that life. It was a happy life. Now I am sitting idly. Now I am lying idly on the ground or on the corner of the house, corner of the garage. It is not a good thing for me. I wanted to be useful to others. I wanted to be used by others. So it is a boring life. Now I am having a boring life. But in ancient times, what means in the recent past, I was useful to the car. I was a part of the car. Now they say, I am too old to be of use anymore. They have no use with me. They have no use with me anymore in the future. They have no use with me anymore in the future. Oh dear, I don't know what is to become of me. I don't know what is the fate of me. What will be the fate of me? What will be the condition of me? It said sadly. Who said sadly? The old tire said sadly. Rani and Manu were the children of the gardener. Who were the children of the gardener? Rani and Manu were the children of the gardener. And the gardener has two children, Rani and Manu, and they were playing by the side of the garage. What do they do? They were playing by the side of the garage. They were 9 and 7 years old. Rani and Manu were 9 and 7 years old, and they were playing near the garage. Then Rani said, Manu, please come and see what it is. There is an old tire in the corner of the garage. Rani saw it at first, and she called out Manu. Manu, please come here and look. What is it? There is an old tire in the corner of the garage. There is an old tire lying in the corner of the garage. There was an old tire lying in the corner of the garage, and we can ask our father to hang it from the strong banyan tree. There was a strong banyan tree in our house, and we can ask our father to take the old tire and hang it from the banyan tree. Hang means using a rope we can hang it, tie the one end of the rope in the banyan tree, in the branch of the banyan tree, and the other end to the tire, and we can hang it down the banyan tree. The banyan tree was a very strong one, and we can hang the old tire from the banyan tree and use it as a swing. We shall use it as a swing. It will be a very good swing for us to play with. It will be a very good swing for us to play with it. It will be very fun to play with a tire swing. It will be fun. It will be such a fun to play in a tire swing. Oh, it will be such fun. The children became very excited. By the thought of they are thinking about making the old tire as a swing, and they became very excited by the thought of it. They became very excited. They called out to their father. They called out to their father to come and see the tire, and asked him if he would make a swing for them, and asked their father if it is a good swing for them. Yeah, can you make a swing for us by using this old tire? Can you give this tire to us to make a tire swing? We can tie this tire to the banyan tree, strong banyan tree, and we can play with it. Can you give permission to make a swing? Okay, let us move on to the new words and their meaning. The new words, the dictation words from this portion are Garage, garage. What is the word? Garage, Garage. Garage means part of a building that is used for housing automobiles. A part of a building that is used for housing automobiles. A part of a building, that means a part of a building where we kept our vehicles to be repaired. That is garage. Second way, first one garage. Second one is terrible. Terrible. Terrible means it is very painful. Terrible. It is terrible. Third one, useful. USEFUL. Useful means it can be used for us. It can be used for many purposes. That is useful. USEFUL. Fourth one is picnic. Picnic means tour, trip. Picnic. 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 Fifth one is shopping. 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 And sixth one is exciting. 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 Next one, Rani and Manu were the children in the story. In the story, there are two children. They were Rani and Manu. Next is gardener. GARDEN. Garden. Gardener. Then banyan tree. BANYAN. Banyan tree. TRE. Banyan tree. We can see banyan trees near temples. Banyan tree. BANYAN. Banyan tree. TRE. Next word is swing. 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 Then there are so many other words. Spanner. 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 There is a word spanner. 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 Next word is picnic. We had already written. Then playing. 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 Play means play is a verb, and when we add ing to it, it will become the continuous form playing. And let us look at some question answers from this portion. Some simple question answers that will help you to study the lesson easily. First one, can you make any question and answers from this chapter? From this portion, first portion of this chapter, can you make? Where was the old tire? Where was the old tire? Can you say the answer? Where was the old tire? The old tire was, first one, where was the old tire? Where was the old tire? TYRE tire. TYRE tire. Where was the old tire? Can you say the answer? The old tire was lying. The old tire was. The old tire was lying. 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 It was lying in the corner of the garage. The old tire was lying on the corner of the garage. Now, what was the specialty of the old tire? What was the specialty? It was covered with dust, comma. There is a comma. Put a comma here. The old tire was lying in the corner of the garage, and it was garage covered with dust. Covered with dust. Covered with the dust. Look, where was the old tire? Where was the old tire? The old tire was lying in the corner of the garage. And what was the specialty of the tire? Covered with the dust. There is no need of it here because it is the same sentence. The old tire is mentioned here. The old tire. Where was the old tire? Then the answer will be the old tire was lying in the corner of the garage covered with dust. It is a question answer. You study it on the same day itself. The old tire was lying in the corner of the garage, and what is the specialty of the old tire? It was laying for a long time there without any movement. So it was covered with dust. You all know that when they put a pen or pencil or anything in some place and don't use it for a long time, it will be covered with dust because the atmosphere is covered with so many dust particles. If we are using it regularly, there may be no dust in that things. Then the second question, who were the children in the story? Who were the children in the story? Who were the children? Who were the children in the story? Who were the children? C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Who were the children in the story? Who were the children? Can you say the answer? Who were the, look at the question. Who were the children? Then answer should be the children were. The children were. The children were Rani and Manu. The children were Rani and Manu. The children were Rani and Manu. Who were the children? The children were Rani and Manu. Then we can make another question. What was they doing? Third one. What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? Who is the they here? They is the children. What are they doing? What are they doing? What are the children doing? They are. What are they doing? Then the answer should be they are. They are. What are they doing? They are playing. What are they doing? Then the answer will be they are playing. What are they doing? They are playing. They are playing. Then there is another question. Where they play? Where they play? Where were they playing? They played near the garage. 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 We can make so many questions. If we are studying only one paragraph, we can make so many simple question answers from that. That will help you to study it well. Okay, without any difficulty. Where they played? They played near the garage. They played near the garage. And who is their father? Next question. Who is their father? Fifth question. Who is their father? Who is their father? Their father. Who is their father? Can you say the answer? Their father is the gardener. Who is their father? Their father. Then answer should be their father is the gardener. the gardener. 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 Their father is the gardener. Gardener. Then can you make another question? What did they saw? What did they see? Sixth question. What did they see? What did the children see? What did the children see? The children, children, children see. What did the children see? What did the children see? The children saw. The children saw. The children saw an old tire. An old tire in the garage. In the garage. The children saw an old tire in the garage. The children saw an old tire in the garage. What did they plan? What was their plan? Seventh one. What did they plan? What did they plan? What did they plan? They planned to use the tire. Say the answer. They planned to use the tire as a swing. They planned P-L-A-N-N-E-D. Did plan. Here the past tense became they planned to use the tire, the old tire, as a swing. The old tire as a swing. Okay, we can make so many questions from this first part. They planned to use the old tire as a swing. There may be another question. Who was kept in the shelf? Who was kept in the shelf? Who was kept in the shelf? The spanner was kept in the shelf. The spanner was kept in the shelf. Why was the tire so sad? You can make another question. Why was the tire so sad? What was the reason for the sadness of the tire? What was the reason for the sadness of the tire? Why was the tire sad? The tire was sad. We can write that also. Why was the tire so sad? Why was the tire so sad? The tire was sad. The tire was sad because it became old and useless. It became old and useless. The tire was sad because it became old and useless. 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 When it was in running condition, where did the tire went? Which are the places the tire went? Which are the places the tire, when it was useful, the tire went to picnic and shopping. When it was useful, we can make it as point. When it was useful, the tire went to picnic and shopping. Picnic and shopping. When it was useful, the tire went to picnic and shopping. Is it clear? From the, whenever you study anything, Malayalam, English, SS or any subject, you can make so many questions, simple questions from that and find the answer from the text. Okay, it will help you to study it without any difficulty. Okay, from this first part you made so many questions and answers. At first you make questions with the help of the teacher. At first you make questions with the help of the teacher and then it will be okay for you. Okay, this will be enough for today's class. Let us continue in the next class. This lesson, the remaining part will be taken in the next class. Okay, thank you.